Nice video, Sir Ronnie. Next naman po sana compare Honda BRV versus Hyundai Stargazer X. Thank you. Sige, XAV CLA. Dahil malakas kayo sa akin, tara pag-usapan natin. So this is actually a battle of two top tier 7-seaters today. And sila yung pinaka may ibibigay talaga pagdating sa performance tsaka power. Talagang harabas tong dalawang to are your best options. Now, what makes these two very interesting in terms of their matchup is that pareho po silang may advanced safety features. So, Honda has Honda Sensing while Hyundai has the Smart Sense. So, pareho talagang kumbaga meron sila yung mga autonomous braking, yung nagsistop siya kaagad pag nakaka-detect ng object sa harapan, yung mga sensing sa gilid, lane keep assist, and then sa likuran din may sensors. So all around in terms of the safety as a driver, advanced na talaga sila pareho. Now, the biggest difference between these two, and I think this, para sa akin medyo nahihirapan ako, it's because first, yung looks, I really like the Honda BRV in terms of the elegance, simplicity, but napaka-sophisticated talaga. And then, now, much better na yung itsura or yung front look ni Hyundai Stargazer, or yung overall exterior look ni Stargazer is much improved. So, I liked it, but I'm totally not yet that 100% pagdating kay Stargazer X. So, pagdating sa looks, medyo trip ko pa rin si BRV. But, sa interior, guys, talagang nandun na lahat eh. I mean, landslide para sa akin pagdating sa interior ni Stargazer X is just possibly the best talaga siguro sa segment pagdating sa premium feeling, modern look, modern feel, and nga Korean signature, modern features, high tech. So I made a video for you guys if you ever wanna learn more and you need help to be more convinced kung alin ba talaga dito sa dalawang to, BRV versus Stargazer X. Nandyan na yan sa YouTube channel natin. Go ahead and check it out. Sana nakatulong. Follow for more.